This is no ordinary axe. Its time-worn blade and battered handle tell a story long forgotten until today. Today, we breathe new life into this forgotten relic. A second chance not just to function, but to matter, to mean something again. First, the old handle must be set free. Carefully, it's pulled away. The noose that bound centuries of use finally released. It doesn't come easy. It resists. Wood and steel once married in sweat, fire, and time, now parting with reverence. And beneath it all, rust. Layers of it. Not just decay, but history. Sweat, storms, blood, and forgotten hands. We don't erase it, we understand it. Then gently, we let it go. Precision is key. The old blade's perfect fit must be honored. I trace every curve, each subtle line, ensuring the new handle will cradle the steel like a second skin. Filing away imperfections, the rough wood slowly gives way to perfection, shaped by hand to meet the spirit of the axe. Each stroke is a quiet promise to the craftsman who came before. To tame this raw material, I build a fortress of wood and nail, a frame to hold the handle steady, unyielding, while I carve, refine, and transform. The tools hum, the bench creaks, and in silence a transformation unfolds. With every careful stroke, the handle takes shape. First rough, then refined. The grains whisper secrets as the dust settles. A new form emerges. The wood itself seems to remember. Not what it was, but what it could become. To wield power, you must hold it well. The handle's grip is carved to fit the contours of my hand. Grooves etched deep for strength, for control, for connection. Because an axe is not just swung, it's felt, it's trusted. The blade, scarred by decay, faces its reckoning. Rust is stripped away with relentless precision. Layers of age peeled back to reveal its hidden gleam. It protests at first, but beneath the wear, it still shines. From coarse to fine, the sanding reveals the axe's soul. Every grain, every edge polished to a mirror-like smoothness. Steel, once dulled by time, returns to the living. Oil seeps in, wiping away the past. Fingerprints, dirt, all erased beneath its protective sheen. But the handle is not just restored, it is reborn. Random root-like patterns claw into the wood, nature's signature etched by human hands. Softened by gentle sanding, the wood's raw edges disappear, leaving only a silky canvas for the final masterpiece. Black paint floods the carved veins, a shadow in the grain. Then with a cloth, the excess is wiped away, revealing a vintage dance of dark and light that makes the wood's grains sing. And still, the work continues. The edge is honed with care. Sharpening is not brute force, it's balance. Too little, and the blade falters. Too much, and it becomes brittle. I find the line in between, where power meets grace. The final touch, a coat of varnish, seals the story, guarding against time's cruelty and guarding the beauty beneath. It glistens not like something new, but something sacred. From forgotten relic to masterpiece, the axe stands ready once more. A blend of old spirit and new life, forged in patience, shaped by hands and destined for years yet to come. This is more than restoration, it's resurrection. Subscribe and join me on the journey, where history meets craftsmanship, one tool at a time.